Hello everyone, today we are working on this Bobcat 773 and we have a problem with the seat bar switch. So I removed the bolt and the nut is on the other side, and you have a nut that holds the switch, the magnet switch. I already installed a new one. Just give me a second, I will fix the lighting so it will be way better for you to see. I'll try to put this somewhere. There we go, it's better. So I already installed a new one. This is the old one. It's just a magnet switch. The magnet is on your seat bar and there's nothing you can do wrong, just practically plug and play. It's held by one bolt and all you have to do is disassemble just one side of the bar. Just pull that bolt out, remove this bolt that holds the switch, and the biggest problem is to disconnect the spring. I've seen online plenty of people having struggle with this spring. It's not that bad to remove it, but it's far worse to put it back on. So this is how I do it. So you install everything back on the seat bar. You put your bolt in place, which is a bit tricky now with one hand. Just give me a second. There you go. Your bolt is in, your switch is in. Just make sure everything is working. We lift it, put it down, so that's working. Now about the spring, this is how I do it. I put it in the vise and I put two zip ties on it. Just make it tight as possible and squeeze it as tight as possible. Be careful, this thing, if it flies, it will hurt you. So you have a bolt and that bolt goes through this, and inside it screws in inside this. So basically what you need to do, just put your spring in between this ear and this rod end, and this is, see, it's almost there. So this is the best and the fastest way by far. I've seen a lot of people on YouTube just trying to push it with a pry bar, or I don't know, just crazy stuff. People are doing crazy stuff. This is way simpler and way safer. I'll do that. I will install that now, so you will see. There you go. I started the threads, so I just use impact or whatever. It's easier for you to tighten it. It's a bit awkward, it's in a bad place, but it's not impossible. And just let me get the impact. It's gone through, and how simple was that? Now all you have to do is cut the zip ties. Get the pliers. Snips, I got some snips. Just so much tension on these. That's probably the stupidest design I've ever seen for one stupid spring. Just pull it out, and you do the same with the top one. Just give me a second. There we go. And just pull the rest of it out, and that's it. By my opinion, this is the far safest way to do this, because that's really tight. And all you have to do, I didn't have to remove this circlip, but I removed it. I don't know why, but just put put everything back in place. I've seen videos that people remove both sides and remove entire seat bar, but I don't think that's necessary. Just need to pull one side out, lift everything up, remove this sensor, clean a magnet that stays on the seat bar, and that's it. I hope this video will help you. Please subscribe and enjoy.